Actually, today my topic is about interference and runtime polymerism. My name is T.Bala Snehitha. My registration number is TRK 19CS122. Import Java until scanner, class employer, string name, int ID, float, base salary, int DA, int HRA, int tax, float EPF, float gross salary, flow net salary, scan S is equal to new scanner, system in em, employer string name, int ID, long base salary, int DA, int HR, int tax, int EPF. This dot name equal to name, this dot ID equal to ID, this dot base salary is equal to basic salary, this dot DA equal to this DA, this dot HRA equal to RA, this dot EPF equal to EPF. I'm closing the function. Now again, void grocery salary calculation. Grocery salary equal to basic salary plus DA into basic salary by 100 plus DA into basic salary, where we have to give system output print as the grocery salary is plus grocery salary, where void net pay equal to net salary equal to grocery salary, tax EPF, system output print the net salary is plus net salary. Void payment details, where we have to give output print as pay details. Date equal to date is to name is to plus name, ID is to plus ID, basic salary is to plus basic salary, DA is to plus DA, HRA is to plus HRA, tax is to plus tax, EPF is to plus EPF. Now classic manager extends employee, string employee underscore name 1, int employee ID 1, float basic salary 1, int data, int IRA 1, int tax 1, int EPF 1, manager string name 1, int ID 1, long basic salary 1, int DA 1, int HRA 1, int tax 1, int EPF 1. Super where we have to give name 1, ID 1, basic salary 1, DA 1, HRA 1, tax 1, EPF 1. Void gross salary calculation, where we have to give output where manager grocery salary. Super grocery salary calculation. Void net payment, system output print in manager net salary, super net pay, void pay details, system output manager pay details, super pay details, class engineer extend employee, string name 2, ID int ID 2, float basic salary 2, int DA 2, int HRA 2, int tax 2, int EPF 2, engineer string name, comma, int ID 2, comma, long basic salary 2, comma, int DA 2, comma, int HRA 2, comma, int tax 2, comma, int EPF 2, super name 2, ID 2, basic salary 2, DA 2, HRA 2, tax 2, EPF 2. Void grocery salary calculation, system output print in engineer grocery salary, super grocery salary calculation. Void net payment, system out print in engineer's net salary, super net payment. Void pay details, system output in engineer's pay details, super pay details, public class asset value, public stack void main string X scan is equal to new scanner system in where we have to give system output print, enter the name of the manager. Next line, enter the ID of the manager. Next line, enter the basic salary of the manager. Next, enter the DA of the manager. Enter the next line, enter the HRA name of the HRA of the manager. Next line, enter the tax of the manager. Next line, enter the EPDF of manager. Next line, manager M equal to new manager name for ID for basic salary for DA for HRA for tax for EPF4. Then again we have to give system output print in, enter the name of the engineer. Next line, enter the ID of the engineer. Next line, enter the basic salary of the engineer. Next line, long basic salary 5 equal to dot. Next long, enter the DA of the engineer. Next, enter the HRA of the manager. Enter the tax of the engineer. Enter the EPF of the engineer. Next, engineer equal to new engineer name 5 ID 5 basic salary 5 DA 5 HRA 5 tax 5 EPF 5 int choice int I equal to 1 while I equal to 1 system out print 1 gross salary 2 net payment 3 payment salary. Enter your choice. Choose next S equal to next line. Switch choice. Case 1. M gross salary calculation. E gross salary calculation break. Case 2. M net payment. E net payment break. Case 3. M payment details, E payment details break. Default system output print invalid choice. Now I'm going to execute my program. Name of the manager as Ram. Next, enter the ID of the manager. One. Enter the basic salary of the manager 40,000. Next, enter the DA of the manager as 92. Next, enter the HRA of the manager. HR of the manager 22. Enter the tax of the manager 22. Enter the EPF of the manager 4,000. Enter the name of the manager. Enter the name of the engineer, as Raj. Enter the ID of the engineer. Chu. Enter the basic salary of engineer. 20,000. Enter the DA of engineer. 85. Enter the DRA of engineer as 16. Enter the tax of engineer as 16. Enter the EPF of engineer. 2,000. One grocery salary, 2 net payment, 3 payment details. Enter your choice. My choice is 1. Where I got manager gross salary 9,56,800 and engineers as 3,57,000. Now enter your choice as 2. Where I took choice manager net salary. The salary is 9. Where the net salary is 9,52,800 and the engineer's net salary is 3,55,000. Now I am choosing 3. Three payment details. Manager payment details. Pay details. Name Ram. ID 1. Basic salary 40,000. DA 92. HRA 22. Tag 0. EFA 20. Whereas the engineer's payment as name Raj. ID 2. Basics 20,000. DA 85. HRA tax. By this I got everything. I got my grocery salary, my net payment, my payment details. By this I completed my program. I successfully completed my program.